Okay, so here are all the remote controls. This one here is for the projector. This one is for the receiver that controls what the sound volume is, which device is currently being connected to the projector. Basically, you choose, whether it's the Xbox or the DVR that's being displayed, or the PlayStation. This is the Xbox controller that you use if you want to play like a DVD in the Xbox. This is a Cox controller, so that's the DVR controller, and this is the PlayStation controller. Okay, so first of all, if you want to turn on the projector, you take the projector controller and you push the power, this on button. Push it once. You can point it towards the projector, or if the projector screen is down, point it towards the screen. So I'm going to turn it on right now. So there's a projector, and that'll turn on. And I don't have the screen down. I'm going to go pull it down right now. Pulling it down, I'm sure you guys have done it before. It's fairly easy. Just pull, and it comes down. Okay, I have the light on, so the image won't be that bright. You can kind of see a Panasonic there, but the best thing is to have the light off. Okay, the second thing you want to do, no matter what, is to take the receiver controller, which is this big thing right here, and push the red button here on top towards the receiver. And then you'll see it turn on. Now, right now, the receiver says, I'm going to turn it off again, turn it back on. You'll see it says Video Game 1. So right now, Video Game 1 means it's going up through this little switch here. And the switch, this switch, right now is showing PS3 is the one that's being connected. If you want to use Xbox, click the Xbox button right here, and that'll connect to the Xbox. And the volume to play video game is generally around -20. You don't want to be much higher than that. It gets pretty loud. You can go a little bit higher, but generally it's pretty sensitive when you're playing video game. So you turn that on, then you can turn the Xbox on. So you can use the controller. I'm sure you guys all know how to do that. Boom, you turn it on. And the Xbox should be showing on the screen in a second. There it is. Now, if you want to use a PlayStation to play a Blu-ray movie or to play a PlayStation game, which I don't have very many of, you switch it to PlayStation right here, the second button, and you can turn the PlayStation on. And the PlayStation controllers are behind the PlayStation. They're back there, behind the actual console. I don't use it very much, that's why it's back there. But in general, I use the PlayStation controller to watch movies. So, let's get back to this little device here. We'll switch it back to Xbox 360, and you have your Xbox here. Feel free to play any of the games that I have. Now, if you want to watch TV, you take the receiver controller, and the video game, you want to use video game, which is what it's on now, you push this button right here, Video 1. If you want to watch TV, push the satellite button, or the TV right on top of that. Click that. Boom. And it will switch to TV mode, which then you'll need to use the Cox controller and turn the receiver, the Cox box on. And there you go. You have TV. So to turn everything off, I'm going to turn the power for the receiver off. And then Xbox, pretty simple. You'll know how to turn that off. Go boom, that's off. The PlayStation, to turn that off, you hold this button, hold the power button for a few seconds, and it'll start blinking. Once it starts blinking, it's shutting off. And the receiver, same thing. The red button here on the receiver control, boom, that's off. And last but not least, the projector. You'll want to make sure to turn the projector off. You take the projector controller, you push it once, and it will show power off, and then you push it one more time. And now it's powered off. Don't push it again. If you push it 3 times, it'll actually power off and then power back on, and it'll stay on for a long time until somebody turns it off. So if you leave the house after pushing the controller 3 times, it'll stay on for the whole time. So you don't want that. Anyway, I hope this helps. Have fun. Thanks for taking care, Mochi. Bye bye.